Ho ho ho, hikers and backpackers. It is time to announce the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway winner. In some of my past giveaways, I've tried to make it a really fun selection process, but I had so many entrants this time that I just decided I would let technology do it for me. So I googled YouTube random comment picker, and that is what we're going to use to pick the two winners for the giveaway. Now, before I announce the winner, I want to point out something that has changed since the contest was announced. The guys over at Hooks and Hammocks reached out to us and said that they wanted to contribute to the giveaway by adding $10 to each Hilltop Packs gift certificate. So now, instead of being $25, each one is now worth $35. So each of the winners are not only going to get a Vaunt Spark headlamp direct from the company, but they're going to get a $35 gift certificate to Hilltop Packs, courtesy of Hilltop Packs and Hooks and Hammocks. So definitely go check both of those channels out, subscribe, give them some likes, leave them some comments, and thank them for this generous offer. Alright, without further ado, let's find the winner. Alright, so put in the URL, filter duplicate users. Yeah, nice try, anybody who left more than one comment. Haha! Science found you out. Okay, here we go. I feel like we need a drum roll or something. Loretta Everett, you are the first winner of the Vaunt Spark headlamp and the $35 gift certificate. Alright, now I just need you to email me at backcountrypilgrim@gmail.com with your mailing address so that I can send that to Vaunt, and then I will email you your $35 Hilltop Packs gift certificate, courtesy of Hilltop Packs and Hooks and Hammocks. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. Until next time, I'm Doug. This is Backcountry Pilgrim. Take it easy.